Want to know how to add Meta AI to your chats in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Meta AI application, and once you have run that, you should be provided with various options. So, right here, you should be seeing various options, and just simply open up any chat that you want first up. And once you have run that, here you should be seeing its appearances, themes, and so on. So on the bottom left side, you should be seeing this plus icon. So once you have selected this plus icon right here, you should be seeing various options popping up. So right here, you should be seeing Meta AI on top as well. So once you have selected Meta AI, here you should be seeing various options. Now, so here you can see introducing Meta AI. Just simply click continue right here. And once you've selected, your Meta AI should start working, and it should be able to interact with your chats. So for that, just simply select add and just simply type in Meta AI right here, and then just ask questions. And once that is done, your Meta AI should answer. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.